Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of Joyroom phone holder for the bicycles or motorcycle. It's upgraded version. I'm gonna try to install it on my bicycle and to show you how it looks and explain you how to install. First, this will be at the bottom because this hole is space specially for charging, so you can charge sometimes while you're running the bicycle if your bicycle have a USB port or charging port. So the things I like about this case, it's much different than any other one because the open it's over here, so you can open up easily. And most of them have actual lock. So the difference, when you have open, you don't have to worry to lock it in when you start to ride the bicycle, which I always forget. So you just take this over here, you can move it, open up, then you just close this, mounting, okay, and once you can tighten more, I will just do this example, and that's it, it's open. So you take the phone, any phone actually fit, like it's a pretty large phone, it's an iPhone Pro Max, so 13, so you just push at the bottom or up, you'll fit. Now you push from the both sides with 2 fingers. No, it's all set very firmly. The phone will not move anywhere because of the silicone on the side, and it's very solid. Also you can tighten even more and will never fall out anywhere. I think it's one of the best because most of the problems when you start to ride the bicycle, you always forget to lock it in on the back. This one you don't have to, because once you push from the both sides, it's already locked. To open, you just push it on the back, it will open up and pull out the phone. It's easy. Alright guys, so now it's time to go for a ride to see how this phone holder perform. I put my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in wrapped case, and only few actually phone holders can hold this with a case. So 2 of them actually Joyroom phone holders. This is the second one, and another one from another brand. So far this one performed really good, and I'm very happy. As you can see, it stays there, no problem at all. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.